In this video, I will detail how to use text effect in iMessage on iPhone on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 comes with a new feature on your iMessage application that is called the text effect. You'll be able to add effect like underline, bolding, and some other text effect to your text message while using iMessage. So this makes it look more fascinating and engaging. So if you don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is open the iMessage app on your iPhone and make sure you select the person you want to have this chat with. Then write anything. So here I'm going to write how to use text effect on iPhone on iOS 18. Now once I have this, I cannot play around with this with the new text effect on your iPhone on your iOS 18 device. So let's go ahead and write OX. Now the next one to do here is this. First, you need to highlight the text you want to add text effect to. Then you can see I have all this highlighted. Now if you click on this arrow button like this, then you should see what is called text effect. Then click on that. So once you click on text effect, this is going to show up on the keypad place. Then you have bold, italicize, underline, and strike through. Then you have all of that text effect just like this. Now to use each of these text effects where you are sending iMessage text message, all you just need to do is highlight what you want to add the text effect on. So let's say I want to add it to this text effect itself. So like this, I just need to highlight it. So once highlighted, swipe like this, I click on text effect. Then what do you want to use? Is it bolded, italicized? You can say that text is going to be bolded. You can also add italic, that's italicizing it, and this can also underline it. Now let's try through on iPhone itself. Then once you highlighted it, scroll like this as well, text effects, then click on strike through. This is going to strike through iPhone. Now you can also add other text effects to the entire content. So come back here and click on text effect. You can use big. See that? Then you can remove it. Mark you while using any of these text effects, the bolding, italicize, underline, and strike will be removed. Then you can use ripple. So once you're done, that is not in right. Then let's go back again to add this text effect. This is text effect. Then come here, select text effect, and then let's bolding this. Then again, come to iOS 18. Then what do you want to do to iOS 18? Let's underline it. Then iPhone, let's italicize it. Then text effect, then add this. Now once you're done doing this, all you just need to do next is click on the send button. There you go. This is going to send this message to this particular person, and you can see the text effect is added. That is, you have bold, italicize, and then we have the underline. Then let's go ahead and copy this text effect as well. Then reply to this. Then again, you can type. Then again, you can use any of this. So let's say. Then again, you can use any of other text that says, hey. Then highlight it. Come here, select text effect. Then check. Send. This is going to check the text whenever you send it. So you see that? And this is going to add a check effect to this text message. So let's try it again on other message. You see that that is added. Then let's add maybe another text effect to this. Do you want to add explode? Then click on send. Say explode. Then finally let's do for iOS 18. Then highlight it. Select your text effect here, and then what do you want to use? Let's go ahead and set it to bloom. Then send. So these three text messages on iMessage is going to check, it's going to bloom, and it's going to explode. So this is how you can easily use the new iOS 18 text effect on your iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.